Alright, today I'm doing a Firestone. I know most of us that do route work either have weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You may have not that many accounts that might be quarterly, but even if it was, this tool would be able to handle that. But this is a monthly count, and that's as far as it goes with my route work. Everything else is weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. So I use that tool on all my accounts with no problem. So I keep getting a lot of comments that this only cleans frequently maintained glass. That's just not the case. I've made a couple of videos. See, a lot of people don't watch my channel, so they're under the impression that I haven't put this through vigorous testing in order to prove this. I don't really have nothing to prove to anybody but myself, because I know what it can do, because I do it all day long. And if you can't believe what I tell you, I mean, I can care less. You know, all I do is share what I know. It's up to you to take that information and do what you want with it. But for those who are skeptical, well, hey, that's why they call them skeptics, because they believe and they understand what they do not understand. You know what I mean? They fear what they do not understand. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and let's jump into it.
We gon' jam. wind up the velvet rope as I zoom, zoom, zoom. Clean up on our two. Watch your step, cause all this juice is on the loose. Bitch move, I'm on the loose. Bitch move, okay, I'm on the loose. Bitch move, this juice on the loose. Bitch move. Caution tape when I'm in your town, cause they know I'm about to shut this shit down. One by one and round by round is how we pulling up to take all your crowns. Then run your jewels to the pawn shop and give out the riches to the whole block. Just like Diddy, bitch, I won't stop. I'm hungry, bitch, I'm coming for the whole crop. Come again, put your money up, I came to win. 10 diamonds, timeless in my big body bends. They break their neck just to see my cool as I walk on through. You just might need you a towel or two, but bitch don't slip cause all this juice is on the loose. Bitch move, I'm on the loose. Bitch move, okay, I'm on the loose. Bitch move, this juice on the loose. Bitch move, okay, I'm on the loose. Bitch move, I'm on the loose. Bitch move, okay, I'm on the loose. Bitch move, this juice on the loose. Bitch move. Buy one, buy two, had to put them on notice cause they rip past you. Mind up, mindful, could be a little friendly but they will bite you. Now, flight suit, I pick up the check then I glide by you. This me, light blue. But bitch don't slip cause all this juice is on the loose. Bitch move, I'm on the loose. Bitch move, okay, I'm on the loose. Bitch move, this juice on the loose.